everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some fried chicken. So this is a real treat. Here are the ingredients that we have. There's only 7 here. I have the Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, some pepper, salt, garlic powder, paprika. This is a mix of cornstarch and rice flour and brown sugar. So first things first, we're just going to mix in all of the dry ingredients. So you get everything in there. Some pepper. I'm just eyeballing it right now, but you can look up the ingredients in the description box. Salt, not too much. Garlic powder. Now the paprika is optional because it does give it a nice kick. That's why I like to use it. And then we mix everything up. Mix it real well. Okay, and then we're going to put it into our chicken here. Last thing I'm going to add is the soy sauce here, the Green Mountain soy sauce. I'm just going to generously put that in. And then we are just going to mix it all up. It. You see a bit of the color change right here. Just try to evenly coat it by just rubbing it in. And I believe there's about 30 to 35 pieces that we have in here. There you go, nicely mixed in, and it's ready to fry. Alright, now that our pan is nice and hot, I'm using a wok here to fry it. Start putting it in, and it should start to sizzle. You don't want to overcrowd the pan too much because it makes the temperature drop. So I'm just going to flip it a little bit. It doesn't even really need any flipping since it's deep fried in here. But I'm just going to flip it a little bit just to look at the color. So we're just going to leave it in for another few minutes and it should be done. Alright, it's been about 8 to 10 minutes now and we have a really good coloring here. And another way that you can tell that it's ready is it's also floating up to the top more rather than sinking. So it's time to take it out. And the best way to get rid of the oil is to put it on a rack like this. Look at that beautiful color. Okay, now that our food is ready, I can't wait to dig in. I just want to tell you a little bit about my shirt here. My husband made it for me. It says Hope Bai, and that means to eat in a polite way in Cambodian. So you can also find me on Instagram with the handle mo.made.it. Okay, let's dig in. First bite. Nice and crispy. And I love that it's not too thick, the breading. I don't like the breading too thick, so this is perfect. I normally would like to eat it with with soup or with a salad. But since we don't have either of those today, I'm just gonna eat it with our sriracha mayo right here, dip it in, and some pickles. And this is some chili pickled radish right here. There's a jar. Delicious. So I hope you try this recipe out sometime and let me know what you think. Until next time, cheers!